Today is 10th of July 2025 and Thursday. Now we have got another batch before you. Today we have tried to improve the quality of the food items and the quality of the videography. I have also instructed my students in IHM Gwalior to follow certain SOP, that is standard operating procedure, because SOPs are very much important when you go somewhere to perform or to discharge your duties in an acceptable manner. And you know that if you do not form your own way of following the job or following the do's and don'ts of the work, your work will not be complete. It will have some flaw, some fault will be there. People will not like it. So now we will see through you that how our students are improving. Our dialog box is open, our information box is open. Whenever you want to give some information, if you want to ask anything, you can send your message, you can send your own version. We will definitely reply before you. So today we have got our eminent supervisor. I am Bankim Joyder, head of the department 1 for the Department of Food Production and F&B Service. Our supervisor is a very good boy. I have seen him that he has instructed his subordinate staff members, that is his batchmate friends, in a very eminent manner, and he has taken all the interest throughout the session. So supervisor, please give your version to our beloved students across the other side.
My name is Tushar Singh. I am third semester student of IHM Gwalior. So today we have another Maharashtrian cuisine menu in which we have 6 dishes. So before go ahead to the food, let's talk about how we have to make this thing firstly. So I got IHM Gwalior in the first round. My rank is 3000, but still I choose IHM Gwalior because IHM Gwalior is one of the most central government IHM, and it has a big campus, big auditorium, and faculty is also good if I'm talk about IHM Gwalior. And so today we have those students who really want to join IHM Gwalior, they can definitely come, and all the faculties are so good, very observing in nature. So let's go ahead to the food. So today we have 6 dishes. The first dish is Basundi. As you can see, cameraman please focus. So Basundi is made by Vishal Parihar. Vishal, could you explain this Basundi?
गुड आफ्टरनून व्यूवर्स. आज हमने बासुंदी बनाई है और बासुंदी महाराष्ट्र कुजीन की एक डिश है. सो बासुंदी पहले सर मिल्क लेके उसको बॉईल करके उसमें कढ़ाई में फिर उसको काफ़ी देर तक टारना है.
Please taste it. Vishal, please taste it. Please have a look. Have a look, please. Cameraman.
It tastes very good and sweet. Yes, thank you.
So now second dish we have Malwani fish curry. As you can see, cameraman please focus. The fish curry is totally good, and the texture, the gravy color is also so good. This fish is made by Yash. Yash, could you explain?
Good afternoon viewers. My name is Yash. I am from IHM Gwalior. In this Malwani fish, we use OGG and Malwani masala to make this Malwani fish. It tastes. Please.
Yeah, please give it to me.
Take it and taste.
Yeah, please. Continue. The taste is nice, and the gravy texture is also good, not very thick and not very thin. But if I'm talk about fish is little bit sour, but fish is juicy in nature. So I appreciate your hard work for making this Malwani fish curry. So next dish we have til and gur chapati, which is made by Sanika, Satran and Shambhu. Please taste it and explain.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Sanika, and as you already know, today is also a Maharashtrian menu. So this is til and gur chapati. We have made wheat flour, knead the dough, and then we have added til, roasted til and gur in it, and let me just taste it. Supervisor will also taste. It's good. I can taste the jaggery, I can taste the til in it. Thank you.
Yes, the bread is totally fresh, and I can taste the jaggery flavor also. So I also appreciate these 3 guys. So til and gur chapati is also good in it. So next we have Aam tea, which is made by Uday Singh and Yash Kushwa. Please taste it.
Good morning everyone, my name is Uday Singh. Today is my dish is aam tea, basically made by arahar dal, and taste is sweet and sour and chili. So you can watch there.
Please give it to me little portion so that I can taste it. Take the spoon first. You also taste it first, then give it to me. Yes. I think you tell me about the dish which you have made today.
This is
How does it taste?
taste is sour and sweet, and chili. This is very tasty and tangy.
Yeah, I also tasted. The flavor is also good, but it is little bit sour in taste. And the main difference between the aam tea and the normal arahar dal is just we do not add onion and garlic in the aam tea, but in arahar dal we add onion and garlic. So that is the main difference between aam tea and the normal arahar dal which we made in our house. So I also appreciate your hard work. The next dish we have moong dal khichdi, which is made by Sunny Yadav and Saksham.
Good afternoon. Today we have prepared Maharashtrian menu in which we have made moong dal khichdi by using the moong dal and rice and boiling them simultaneously.
Sunny Yadav, please taste.
By using the moong dal and rice and boiling them simultaneously.
Sunny Yadav, please taste it. Sunny Yadav, you also taste it. Give me a positive review. Yes, you also tasted.
The rice is perfectly cooked and it is moderately spiced, and the coriander is giving it a fresh taste.
Sunny Yadav, please give me. Yeah, the khichdi taste is good, and it will taste like a shidi khichdi, which is generally seen in the Maharashtra in Kopargaon. So the khichdi taste is also good. Okay, nice. The last dish we have tomato sauce, which is made by Rohit Dhakar and Yogendra Kushwa.
So good afternoon everyone, my name is Yogendra Kushwa. I am a student of third semester HHA IHM Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior. It is a tomato sauce, and it's basically balanced of tomatoes and taste of very sweet, soft.
Okay, taste it and give it a portion to me also. Yeah. Yogendra, you also taste it, please.
Super.
Yes, sure. Yeah, please give me a positive review, Rohit and Yogendra.
Taste is very sweet, light and spicy.
Yeah, taste is good. Viewers, I just want to tell you what is the main difference between tomato sour and the normal tomato soup. The difference is just the thickening agent, in which if we made tomato soup, we add thickening agent, which means your flour and butter. But we do not add thickening agent in tomato sour. It just takes like your tomato shorba, we can say. So these are the today's menu which we have prepared by our team, and I really appreciate you all of you for giving your effort towards making these dishes. So nice. Thank you.